Hi everyone. Today we are building a rock paper scissor game in Python where you will take on the computer in a coding shutdown. Will you outsmart Python? Let's find out. In this video, we'll learn how to take user input in Python, how to use Python's random module for AI moves, how to write if-elif condition to determine the winner. We'll also learn list. Stick around till the end of this video because I'll show you how you can add a score tracker and make the game even more fun. Let's go. Alright, if you have never played rock paper scissors game before, which I doubt, here is a quick rundown. Game rules. Rock beats scissor, scissor beats paper, paper beats rock. If both players chooses the same move, it's a tie. Now that we know the rules, let's start coding. Right, I'll create a new file for our game, rock. Since we need the computer to randomly pick rock, paper, or scissor, let's use Python's random.choice function. To do so, I'll import a random module from Python library. First, we define possible moves. We are using a list here. Now we'll ask the player for their choice and make the computer randomly pick one. Right? Then we'll just print what choice the computer chose using the random function. We'll just print what computer has chosen. Now we need to compare the player's choice with the computer's choice and determine the winner. But what if the user enters something that is not rock, paper, or scissor? Let's handle that too. So to do so, what we'll do is we are taking player's input. What we'll do is we'll check here if player is not in, sorry, if player not in choice, print invalid input. It's fine. Else. Right, here is what I've changed. I'm saying get the input from the user, check if the user's input is in choice, which is a list. If it is not in the choice, print out or display invalid input. Please enter rock, paper, scissors. Else, if the player choice is in the list, we'll ask computer to generate its choice and we'll print what computer has chosen. If player, now we are comparing who won. Here is the logic. All right, let's run this program once and see the result. So I'll enter rock. All right, clear. And run this program. Yeah, rock. Computer chose rock. It's a tie. I'll run it one more time. This time I'll say paper. Computer chose Caesar. I lose. Computer won. All right. Let's make this game even more fun by adding score tracker. All right, score tracker. So one score tracker or one variable will store the score for the player, and the other variable will store the score for the computer. I'll just modify this part here. So I'll say enter rock, paper, scissors, or type quit, sorry, or type quit, exit. All right, that's it. I'll put everything inside a while loop. While true, all right. Now, if the user input, we'll take the user input or the player's input in player. We are checking it is true. If player input is in choice, is not in choice, print invalid input. Okay. We have to do one more check here. What if the player chose quit? Okay. Player equal to and just say um, continue. Rock, rock, paper, scissors game. While true, this is fine. Now I just need to increase the scores. Okay, so this is the condition for checking who won. If the player won, so I'll say player score plus equal to 1. If you lose, if the player lose, then the computer won, so computer score, sorry, plus equal to 1. That's it. I just need to print the score here. Print. That's it. Let's run this program and find out if there is any bug. Okay, and fix it. So I'll just run it. The program says enter rock, paper, scissors or type quit. Let's say quit. Thanks for playing. I came out of the game. That's fine. I'll rerun this program. Okay, this time I'll say rock. Okay. So the problem here is this loop is true. I have to give a break condition. So yes. So the break condition would be this here. Break condition, I mean, I will ask for user input. If the user enter quit, will quit the game. If the user enter rock, paper, or scissors, will continue with the game. I think that this should resolve the issue. I'll run the program one more time. I'll say rock. All right. It's a tie. Paper. It's a tie again. Rock. I won. Score is 1-0 computer. Okay. This time I'll say uh, test. Invalid input. Please enter rock, paper, scissors. Do you want to continue? No, I don't want to continue. So I'll say quit. That's it. I hope you have learned something and have fun. So we just built a fully functional rock, paper, scissors game in Python. Try it out and comment below. How many times did you beat the computer? Up next, we are building a guess the number game in Python. Can you outsmart the computer program? Stay tuned. If you enjoy this, smash that like button and subscribe for more Python mini games or mini project. Let's keep coding. Thank you.